LUMA AI's Dream Machine is a powerful tool that transforms text prompts into high-quality videos effortlessly. I've tested over 100 text prompts and images to refine my video creation skills using LUMA AI's Dream Machine. Initially, I faced challenges as seen in these early attempts. However, after extensive experimentation, I uncovered invaluable tips and tricks that transformed my video generation process. Stick around till the end to learn how to maximize LUMA AI's Dream Machine. I'll share insights on creating amazing videos using this AI, including a unique method with emojis. Yes, you heard it right that we will generate videos using emojis as prompt also. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're new here. Now let's start. When I first signed up for LUMA AI's Dream Machine, I entered some random prompt. The first prompt I entered was, a majestic dragon soaring over a medieval castle, breathing flames that light up the night sky. And I got this result. The background looked good with the medieval castle and night sky, but the dragon and its flames did not look that great. Then I tried to provide an enhanced and detailed prompt, which you can see here, and I got this result. The result was better than the first one, but what happened to the face and head of the dragon? This was really not impressive. Then I tried generating an image to video. So I went to Leonardo.ai and created images using this prompt. Then I downloaded this image. Next, I used this image and the same prompt on LUMA AI's Dream Machine and got this response. But I was not satisfied with this result either, as there was only a camera zoom effect in the image to video version. But hold on, later after using the same image with some tweaks, I got this result, and it was much better than the previous one. And later in this video, I will tell you how I got this result. Next, I tried the prompt, a futuristic city on Mars, with towering skyscrapers and flying cars navigating through neon-lit streets. And I got this result. Well, this looks like a futuristic city on Mars with towering skyscrapers, but I was expecting a flying car, which was missing in the output video. Similarly, I tried another random prompt and I got this result. And who will say this is a penguin? This was really horrible. Similarly, I tried this one, and surprisingly I got this result, which was unexpected for me as this turned out to be a good video. Then I tried this one, and again this surprised me with the result as this really looks like a movie scene. So, after doing so many experiments, I finally found some text-to-video prompt optimization tips. And now, I am going to share my favorite prompts and observations to help you get the best results. First tip, always use the enhanced prompt feature, even with images, except in some unique cases, which I will share with you later in this video. For example, I tried this prompt without turning enhanced prompt on and I got this result. You can see that there is no camera movement in this video, and it looks to be a static shot. Then, I used this same prompt by enabling the enhanced prompt feature and see what result I got. This was really satisfying as I got this video, which really looks like a movie scene with camera movement and different camera angles. So always use the enhanced prompt feature. The second tip is, we should avoid using smaller prompts and try using medium-length prompts as they provide great results. It's not like smaller prompts always provide bad results, as I got some good results with smaller prompts too. For example, I used this prompt, Ultra HD wide-angle shot of the sunrise on Mars, and see, I got this result, which looks good. Also, I used this small prompt, ancient Egyptian tomb robbers, and this is the result I got, which looks like a movie scene. Similarly, I used this small prompt, Ultra HD, the secret fortress of Shangri-La, and the result was not that bad. And also, this small prompt turned out to be a good one as I got this result. So, it's not like smaller prompts always give bad results, but still, I would suggest and recommend you use medium-length prompts as they provide great results. One more thing, please do not use very long prompts either. Before moving on, if you think I deserve a like for this tutorial video, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done yet. The next tip is really important and has really changed my video creation experience with LUMA AI. This tip is to think cinematically. If you want really great results, frame your prompts in terms of NERFS and 360 content. Include cinematic terms like thrilling for dynamic shots. Break down prompts by pacing, subjects, location, and shot type. If you use this tip, you will get great results. I randomly used this prompt and got this result. Then I found that I had used slow motion, close-up, and 120 frames per second slow motion in the prompt. That's why I got this awesome result. Then I intentionally used pacing, subjects, location, and shot type in this prompt, and here is the result in front of you. This looks like a cinematic shot. Similarly, I used 360 video, thrilling adventure, and cinematic exploration in this prompt, and I got this awesome result. Then I also tried this prompt where you can see I used dynamic pacing, focusing on close-ups and aerial shots in the prompt, and I got this awesome result. This is another prompt where I used cinematic, and I really loved the output from this prompt. Also, this one where I got this awesome result. So, if you use pacing, subjects, location, and shot type in the prompt, the result will be awesome. Before moving ahead, I must say that cinematic shots can change your AI videos. These are 15 game-changing camera movements for LUMA AI's Dream Machine for creating amazing videos. So, make sure to use these in your prompts. Also, I have provided some bonus camera movements in the description below. You must check that out. The next prompt tip to optimize the result in LUMA AI's Dream Machine is to retry. Yes, you heard it right. After experimenting with so many prompts, I found that sometimes my prompts were perfect, but I did not get a satisfying result. And when I retried the same prompt, I got a great result. For example, I used this prompt, but the result was not good, as you can see. Then I used this prompt again and got this result, which was better than the last one. Here is another example. I used this prompt, but the sun was missing in the result video. When I reused the same prompt, you can see I got this result where you can clearly see the sun. So, remember, if your prompt does not provide you with a great result on the first attempt, then retry the same prompt. Now, let's jump over to another tip. I wouldn't call it exactly a tip, but it's a fun thing. You can create videos just by entering emojis as prompts, and you will get some amazing results. You can see that I just used this loudly crying face emoji and see what awesome result I got. Similarly, I used the woman dancing emoji and this is the result. Isn't it amazing? Don't you think I deserve a like and a comment for this? Well, it's up to you. The next emoji I tried was the couple with heart, woman, man, and the result is in front of you. So, this was fun creating videos using emojis. I swear you will enjoy this. So try this out and leave your experience in the comments. Also, I want to make a friendly reminder to like this video to encourage me to create such videos. Now, let's move on to the next tip, and we will call this tip POV prompt tips. Yes, this is another observation. When you use point of view or POV in the prompt, it provides some great results. For example, I used point of view of a cyclist riding through a busy city street in this prompt, and see how amazing the result is. Similarly, in this prompt, I used first-person POV of a camera, and I got this result, which is satisfying. Now, finally, we are on the final tip for creating awesome videos using LUMA AI. In this tip, we will discuss how to get the most out of image to video generation using LUMA AI. I mentioned that when I started exploring the image to video feature of this awesome AI tool, I first went to Leonardo.ai and generated an image there using a text prompt, as you can see here. Then I went to LUMA AI and uploaded the same image and used the same prompt which I used to generate the image with LUMA AI for image to video creation, but the results were not satisfying. As you can see, I generated a dragon image using Leonardo.ai and then I used this image with the same prompt with LUMA AI for image to video generation. And this is the result. You can see there is not much movement by the dragon in the video. There is only camera movement in the video. It would be better if the dragon showed some movement also. Similarly, I generated this image using an AI image generator and then used the same prompt to convert the image to video in LUMA AI, and here is the result. Again, you will observe that only a camera zoom out effect is there in the video and no movement by the character in the video, which is not satisfying. But after doing some experiments, I succeeded in getting this result, and you can see that along with the camera movement, There is movement by the character also in the video, which is satisfying. You can easily compare the difference between the before and after versions of the video. Similarly, I achieved this result from the dragon image. Here also you can see that along with the camera movement, there is movement for the dragon also. And we can clearly see the difference in the before and after versions of the videos. Now, you must be thinking, what are the tips and tricks to achieve these results? And trust me, you will say, really? Was this so simple? And I will say, yes, it was. The only tip to achieve this result is not to use a prompt with the image when using the image to video feature of LUMA AI. Yes, you heard it right. Just avoid using a prompt. Simply upload the image, check the enhance prompt option, and send it for video generation. And trust me, you will get amazing results this way. If you do not trust me, then watch this video. You can see that I have not used any prompt with this. I just uploaded an image and sent it for video generation. Similarly, this funeral scene was created using an image generated from 𝒎𝒐𝒐, and then the same image was used to create a video without any prompt in LUMA AI. For this video also, I first created an image using 𝒎𝒐𝒐, and then I used this image without a prompt in LUMA AI to generate the video. This video is also an example of image to video without a prompt. And these two videos were created with the same method. So, if you use this method, you will get amazing results for sure. Before ending this video, please like this video if you haven't already and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in another video.